Problem 11. What is the cross product A cross B of the vectors A equals I plus 4j plus 6k and B equals 2I plus 3j plus 5k? Gawin natin ay, so itong given A is equal to I plus 4j plus 6k, B is 2I plus 3j plus 5k. Gagamitin kong pag-solve ng cross product ay matrix. So, sulat natin yung variables 1, 2, 4, and 3, 6, and 5. 3 by 3 to. I, J, 1, 4, 2, 3. So, diagonal muna. Taas, 20I plus 12J plus 3K minus 8K plus 18I plus 5J. So, pag maminusin lang natin, 20I minus 18I, 2I, 12J minus 5, 7J, 3K minus 8K minus 5K. So, ayun yung answer. Problem 12. The three vectors described by 10 cm at 120 degrees K equals to 0, 1, 2 encompass the sides of an equilateral triangle. Determine the magnitude of the vector's cross product 0.5, 10 at 0 degrees times 10 at 120 degrees. So, hinahanap yung 0.5 times ang cross product ng A and B. So, yung given A is 10, 0 degrees. B is 10, 20 degrees. So, change mo natin sila sa rectangular. So, kailangan naka-complex yung mode ng calculator. So, 10 plus J0. Negative 5 plus J 8.66. So, tapos, para makuha natin cross product, solve natin siya by matrix. So, transform po lang natin muna into 3-dimensional format. So, 10 plus 10I plus 0J plus 0K negative 5I plus 8.66J plus 0K I, J, and K. 10, 0, 0 negative 5 8.66 0 3 by 3 10, 0 negative 5 8, 6. So, diagonal muna sa taas 0 and plus 0 and plus 86.6 K. So, minus 0 0 0. So, wala na to. Ano din to? So, A cross B push siya sa 86.6 K. So, yung 0.5 times A cross B is equals to 86.6 times 0.5 86.6 times 0.5 43.3 0.5 50.3 units. Problem 13. The vectors 10 cm at 72k degrees, k equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, encompass the sides of a regular pentagon. Determine the magnitude of the vector cross product 2.5 times 10 at 144 degrees times 10 at 216 degrees. Number 14, hanap yung 2.5 times A cross B. So, ano natin gawin? Sulat muna natin yung given. So, A is equals to 10, 144 degrees, and B equals 10, 216 degrees. Then, change natin sila sa rectangular to polar. So, 10 angle 144 negative 8.09 plus J 5.88 plus yung isa 16 negative 8.09 plus, so minus negative minus 5.88, tapos convert naman natin sa 3-dimensional format. So A so 8.09 I plus 5.88 J plus 0K B plus to negative 0.09 I minus J 5.88 J plus 0K. So, para masolve natin yung A cross B, gamit tayo ng 3/3. So, variable muna. Negative 8.09, negative 8.09, 5.88, negative 5.88, 0, 0. Write natin yung dalawang 5.88, negative 5.88. So, solve na natin. A cross B equals to 0 plus 0. So, 8.09 times 5.88 plus 47.57 minus negative 5.88 times 8.09. So, ganun din pala. 47.57 negative plus 0 plus 0. So, maging positive. A cross B is equals to plus answer 95.14. So 2.5 cross B is equals to 95.14 times 2.5. So 2.5 cross B equals to times 2.5 to 37.85 units. Problem 14. What is the angle between two vectors A and B if A equals 4i plus 12j plus 6k and B equals 24i minus 8j plus 6k? Natin gawin ay what yung given. So, given A equals 4i plus 12j plus 6k b equals 24i minus 8j plus 6k. So, hinahanap yung angle. So, from the formula, dot product a dot b, magnitude of a, magnitude of b, cosine theta. So, hinahanap yung angle. So, ano muna natin gawin ay solve yung magnitude ng a. So, a equals, so yung 4 plus 4 squared plus 12 squared plus 6 squared. Answer is 14. So, yung magnitude ng b equals 24 squared plus 8 squared plus 6 squared. So, sagot ay 26. Tapos, solve natin yung a dot b. So, a dot b is equals to 4 times 24 plus 12 times 8 plus 6 times 6. So, a dot b is equals, so answer is 36. So, solve natin yung angle. So, a dot b equals magnitude ng a, magnitude ng b, cosine theta. Substitute lang natin yung 36. 14 times 26 cosine theta. So, cosine theta is equals to 36 over 14 times 26. Theta is equals to inverse cosine ng 36 over 14 times 26. So, theta is equals, answer is 84.32 degrees. Problem number 15. Given the three-dimensional vectors A equals I xy plus j 2yz plus k 3zx, B equals I yz plus 2j 2zx plus 3 k 3xy. Determine the magnitude of the vector sum a plus b at coordinates 3, 2, 1. So, natin yung given 15. So, yung a equals sa I xy plus j 2 yz plus k 3zx. B is equals I yz plus j 2zx plus k 3xy. So, determine the magnitude. So, may binigay na point 3, 2, and 1. So, ito yung x, ito yung y, ito yung z. So, ano natin gawin ay hanapin yung a plus b. So, I times xy plus yz plus j y 2yz plus 2zx plus k 3zx plus 3xy. So, substitute natin yung values. So, I 3 2 plus 2 1 plus j j 2 y is 2 1 is z plus 2, 1, 3 plus k 3 times 1 times 3 plus 3 times 3 times 2. So a plus b is equals I 6 plus 3 2 plus j 4 plus 6 plus k 9 plus 18 3 times 3 9 plus 2 18. So a plus b is equals to 8 8i plus 10j plus 27k. So yung magnitude ng a plus b equals to 8 squared plus 10 squared plus 27 squared. So magnitude ng a plus b is 8 squared plus 10 squared plus 27 squared is 29.89 0.88 units.